या ऐसा ही छोड़ दो, हो गया.
आम्ही आता एकटवल्या हिंगा ही झाडां सांबाळपाक 21 झाडां कापपाक लायलेली कित्याक रोड वायडनींग आनी हे गाटर जाता ब्लॉक जाता म्हणून. सी डेव्हलपमेंट हॅज टू बी अराउंड द ट्रीज, नॉट बाय कटिंग द ट्रीज.
एक तर उडयले जाल्यार 3 तरी आनीक लाय रे, फुडें लाय रे. काट करून करून निमाणे आमचे गोमट्योय कातर.
मेरा पेट्रोल खत्म हुआ रेंट पे लिया एक्टिवा का, तो द पर्सन पुश मी टिल हियर. गोइंग फ्रॉम दिस साइड आई सॉ द ट्रीज आर वर बीइंग कट, तो उनको रिक्वेस्ट किया कि प्लीज गैदर सम पीपल, वी हैव टू रेज आवर वॉइस एंड सेव दिस ट्रीज. हमारे पंजाब में फ्लड आया हुआ है अभी, गुरदासपुर में आज तक का सबसे वर्स्ट फ्लड्स आया है पंजाब में. वहाँ पे लोग सफर कर रहे हैं गुरदासपुर फिरोजपुर एरिया में. हिमाचल में जो एमएलए है ही नोज एवरीथिंग.
They were not required to cut because they were not in the middle of the road. They were away from the road.
हे पळय कितें चल्लां हांगासर. शी, हांवें खंय तरी आयकलां पयलीं समज झाड मारपाक जाय आसलेलें न्हू जाल्यार सेम भाशेची न्हू 10 झाडां लायताले आनी मागीर तेका न्हू पांयां पडटाले, माफी मागताले आनी मागीर तेका काडटाले. एटलिस्ट आतां इतकें मॉडर्न टॅक्नोलॉजी आसा आमच्या कडेन, खंय तरी तेका रिलोकेट करा न्हू. कट कित्याक करून उडयता आनी डेवलॉपमेंटाच्या मदीं झाडां कशीं येता, तेका कितें तरी करूंक जाय उपाय. आनी तुमी कितें तेजे अल्टरनेटीव कट केले म्हूण हांगाच खंय तरी लायले, खंय तरी लायता, खंय युपीन लायता. वॉट इज द पॉयंट? हे पळय एक्टिविस्ट जमले हांगा सगळे. हे चल्ला डेवलपमेंट ऑलरेडी. हे पळय हांगासर कट करून दवरले. ओके, तुमी कट करात पूण तुमी प्लांटूय करिना. आयज मेरेन म्हाका खंय कट केलेले अल्टरनेटीव गोंयान तुमी प्लांटेशन केलां तें दिश्टी पडोंक ना म्हाका. आतां हेका शिफ्ट करूंक मेळना त्या सायडीक. अल्टरनेटीव कितें तरी सोदा न्हू. वॉट इज द पॉयंट? आमच्या कडेन इतके इकॉनॉमी आसा, आमच्या कडेन मॉडर्न हे टूल्स ना अशे जे एका अप्रूट करून सारके थंयसर जमनीन हें करूं शकता. सगळे जाग्यार सेम स्टोरी आहा थ्रू आवट इंडिया. आतां बंद करचें पडटलें, झाडां अशें मारूं शकना. हिमाचल सगळ्या जाग्यार पळयता आमी कितें जाता तें ऑलरेडी. आनी गोंयानूय जावपाक शकता, ऑलरेडी जावपाक लागले. आतां आसा ती झाडां मारली न्हू मागीर कांय उरचें ना. आनी यंग जनरेशन, यंग लोक भायर येवन पिसफूल प्रोटेस्ट करूंक जाय. गरज ना की तोडूंक जाय, फोडपाची गरज ना. पिसफुली भायर सुद्दां येयले न्हू तुमी, इट वील मेक अ बीग डिफरन्स. पयला हांगासर आतां झाडाक तेंच्यांनी आतां कितके तेंकोन डांबर घातला पळय. 1 मीटर गॅप सोडपाक जाय सायडीसून. अँड ऑलरेडी दीस पर्टिक्युलर स्पेस इफ यू सी इज यूज्ड फॉर पार्किंग ओनली. एनीवे कटिंग द ट्री मेक्स नो सेन्स. यू शूड हॅव पुट अ बॉर्डर अँड ट्राय टू प्रोटेक्ट इट. इतको रस्तो आहा मरे, झाड मारूकूच जाय. तुमचें चडशें ट्रान्सलोकेशन फेल जावपाक लागला बिकॉज काडले घालून तुमी मेनटेन करिना. कितके भायर आसा झाड, त्या सायडीकूय खूब भायर आसा झाड. गरजूच ना हरशी पळय ते आनी सामके इतके भायर आसा. गरज नसलेली हरशी कट करपाचें तेजें. दे आर रिमुवींग दॅट ट्री. दॅट्स वॉट आय एम आस्किंग नाव ऑल्सो. वॉट इज
सर ये गटर ब्लॉक त्यांची शेतांग होता सर
कोण सांगला सदन गेलं उदक चालतो वाटतं.
पोलिओ पडटा तेजी पानां पडटात न्हू.
पानां गोंय सारे मरे पानां कितें रे तूं पानां सगळ्याक पडटा. आमचे केस कोण झोडना सगळे कापाची.
हे झाडां काडटा दिसता.
बाबा केबल है, केबल
टूटना नहीं, केबल उसको लगा लगाना है वापस, तोड़ना मत, तोड़ना मत। हाँ, big tree, बादाम tree. We'll replant it. Yeah. क्या? It will come up.
या ऐसा ही छोड़ दो, हो गया.
वो निकाले थोड़ा से
Right now it is beyond redemption because they have cut beyond the necessary limit. There is no way you can do it.
Fruits are there.
Very less
Fresh,
chance.
no?
But still, चलो.
We can try. होय करता तू ते plant. होय करता. तू पिठलो मध्ये उदक बी घालता.
8 दिस पहिले.
8 दिस न्हू 5 वर्सां. 5 वर्सां पोवंक जाय. त्याला 8 दीस येवन वचना तो.
It can be removed. At least so that the work can continue and they can complete.
नेपाल के जैसा हो जाएगा फिर.
हाँ, वही करना है अभी
वही करना
फाइनल.
पड़ेगा.
और कोई
नेपाल ने
चॉइस
अच्छा-
नहीं है.
नेपाल ने अच्छा एग्जाम्पल सब.
अभी ये झाड कहाँ लगाओगे?
खाली बच्चे लोग मिलके
हाँ?
क्या
त्या खंयच्या सायडीक आणि ताका सामके उदीक बिदीक आहे
उदीक हा सर
ना कित्याक मातशें तरी हेका
एक्झॅक्टली
जायसर.
ती शेताची जमीन आहे ती ऑलरेडी ताका ऑलमोस्ट हांव ते 12 महिने आतां सध्या म्हाका जालें ह्या गेल्या वर्सा ह्याच म्हयन्यान हांवें काम स्टार्ट केल्लें.
ओके.
पयलें जाल्यार हे जशें शेतान पाणी आहा पळय तशेंच त्या वाटेन पाणी आहा.
ताका पळयतलो मरे. कित्याक आतां तुवें उत्तर दिलां म्हाज्या फुडें. हांव येवन चॅक करतलो फुडल्या वर्सा झाड जगता काय मरता ते. बदामाचें मरता.
करना चाहिए. पीएम को मार सकते जाके कुछ भी.
नहीं उतना नहीं करना चाहिए. बस आना चाहिए, बाहर आना चाहिए.
बाहर आना चाहिए, रोड पे आना चाहिए.
सुधर जाए ना खुद ही हम.
थोड़ा सा लगना चाहिए, डर लगना चाहिए.
थोड़ा भी आएंगे ना, गवर्नमेंट डरेगी. थोड़ा भी आएंगे.
भाई ऐसा होना चाहिए थोड़ा सा कि भाई यूथ है.
वेरी वेरी
उठानी चाहिए बात. ऑब्जेक्शन कोई नहीं उठाता.
और ऐसा
भी लगा रहता है
और ना
जब स्कूल पे आएगी ना तब सब पता लगेगा कि हाँ
आप
कोई नहीं
समझ
उठा
रहे हो,
रहा.
बहुत पीसफुली होना चाहिए.
हाँ, हाँ, होना peaceful
रिलीजियस स्लोगन दे रहे हो, मार रहे हो.
नहीं नहीं कुछ
peacefully
नहीं
चाहिए,
कुछ
हाँ.
नहीं. खाली फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए यंग जनरेशन शुड कम. योर फ्यूचर ना इट इज.
राइट.
कितनी गर्मी बढ़ेगी, कितना ये बढ़ेगा.
हाँ, अभी ऑलरेडी है 35 to 40 टच होता ही है. अभी अगर ऐसे काटेंगे ना.
वन टाइम विल कम यू विल नॉट गेट clean water to drink.
नेक्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर ये वाटर
Water का है.
Start charging for water, then people will know. They should do it from now.
ना.
Because where's the water?
Yeah. There are some villages in Goa, alternate day water comes, and some places,
Very little flow comes. Like that happens.
and everywhere they
happening
digged
from
up
years.
and PWD pipe is broken.
Yes, yes.
क्लीन वाटर फॉर मेनी डेज दे आर वेल से गंदा पानी निकाल के वो सूखा पड़ा रहता है.
And if you ask anything, it's like the development and it is going to happen. I mean, like when it is going to happen.
आम्ही आता एकटोला हिंगा ही झाडां सांबाळपाक 21 झाडां कापपाक लायलेलीं कित्याक रोड वायडनींग आनी हे गाटर जाता ब्लॉक जाता म्हणून. सो आतां तेणें एग्री केला की झाडां कापची ना आनी जे जाग्यार झाडां कापूंक जाय ती ट्रान्सप्लांट करतले वॉट एवर इज पॉसिबल. सो क्लॉड इज ऑल्सो डिस्कस. वी आर थँकफूल to him for coming here. Claude will explain now what exactly is going to be the plan to save these trees.
See, there is an agreement that certain trees they will not cut anymore. They will keep them as they are. And we have agreed with the PWD and the forest department that those trees will not be touched for the moment. And wherever they are cut, at least the main tree, that is the rain tree at the beginning of the road, they will not touch at all. Whatever trees they have cut, they will maintain them so that they can regenerate. And whatever trees which have to be removed, like a few coconut trees, trees which are coming exactly on the middle of the footpath, those trees they will remove. And we are still examining, the government says that they will still examine whether some trees can be still kept where they are without the need for transplanting them. Because from here to Parra, the road is now becoming open. It is going to become a merciless hot road because there are no trees. All the trees have been cut for the road widening. the government says that they have kept space on one side of the road for planting more than 60 trees. So we are very happy with that, and we are saying that this should be done for all highways and all road expansion. No highway, no road expansion should be done without there being a proposal that they will not cut the trees and they will find a place where the trees can be transplanted, and they will make as part of the project proposal, they will make acquisition of land for planting trees as part. So these are discussions that are going on. We are very happy that the government has taken swift action, and their PWD and the Forest Department have come to the site, and they have agreed with us also that certain things should not be done any further. After a few days, further discussions will take place. But in the meantime, whatever obstruction is there for completion of the road, because this road has to be completed by 31st of December, in a petition that is filed by the Goa Foundation, this has to be finished by 31st of December. So we are very keen that there should be no further obstruction to the continuance of the work. So today there has been agreement on all parties that wherever there is a blockage, that blockage will be cleared. If there is a route, that route will be removed and put somewhere else. Some of the landowners are making available their plot for putting some of the trees which will be removed. And 4 to 5 trees will remain where they are till further decision can be taken.
जेन्ना डेव्हलपमेंट करता तेन्ना खंय तरी थोडी झाडां कापची पडटा थंय कितें ऑब्जेक्शन
आमचे ऑब्जेक्शन कितें आसता की तुमचे सुजाव करतात म्हणजे प्रपोजल करतात त्याच प्रपोजलान तुमी कांयच म्हणिनात कित्याक म्हूण इतलीं झाडां आहात इतलीं कातरूंक आमकां पडटालीं आनी मागीर हे तांकां रिलोकेट करपाचें म्हूण तुमी कांय घालिनात यू डोंट पुट एनीथींग इन अ प्रपोजल तुमी बेश्टे अप्रूव करतात आनी मागीर काम सुरू जाल्ल्या उपरांत मागीर तुमी येतात आनी म्हणटात ना वो झाड काडूंक जाय वो काडूंक जाय वो काडूंक जाय आनी परवरी तुमी जाणा 600 ट्रीज झाडां तांणी कातल्यात 600 आनी शिवोली तांणी झाडां कातल्यात आनी हांगाय हांगा झाडां कातरपाचे तांचे प्रयत्न आहा कित्याक आमी विचारलें आमकां तुमचो प्लॅन खंय आहा झाडां तुमी लावपाचें म्हूण तांणी हांगा मागीर डिस्कस केलां की ह्या आयल्यान ताणें स्वाद दवरल्या फॉर प्लांटींग अबाउट 68 ट्रीज so because of that we said okay if you are planting in 68 trees then you can remove 15-20 trees you can remove but where you we should not remove keep it there where you can transplant you try and transplant because some land will be given to you but the big tree which is there in the beginning that is the rain tree which was planted 40 years ago by the owner of the petrol pump Mr. Val Carvalho that tree please do not because it's the biggest tree which is there as a symbol for entry into Mapsa town. So it gives a very good impression of Mapsa town that when you come there, your first encounter is with the biggest rain tree. And even on the other road that is going to Korli, therefore PWD has agreed and they have not cut the biggest banyan tree in Mapsa, which is on that road. That banyan tree is so big, the cover of the banyan tree goes across the entire road at Korli opposite agriculture station. So similarly, if you look at the tree there that is at the beginning, the rain tree, the coverage, the canopy of the tree has gone on the other side of the road. It is so big and it only can do benefit to human beings. Yes. Therefore it should not be removed. So we are saying you remove trees but please plan to remove them in advance. Please make the cost of the removal of the tree part of the project and put some expert body to see that you actually plant those trees and look after them for 5 years. That is what we are saying. We are not interested in obstructing anything. We are obstructing only a method of doing business. Your method should change. You should put the cost of trees as part of the project proposal. Otherwise, don't do it. Otherwise, we will oppose. And this is the problem which will create when you start cutting the trees. Whole of Goa will come to protest.
Yes.
And PWD will be very unpopular. ते म्हणटा आमी ते आमचें म्हणणें.
Same problem occur at Poror in the Kapeshwara temple side.
Yes. Yes. No, they sogle.
We oppose the tree.
That was there were people on the road. There was police action. People were arrested. ते सगळे झाले ते because
massive protests.
that is one of the biggest banyan trees on that road and it's a Rakondar place. You don't touch Rakondars, places where Rakondars are venerated. That is part of Goan tradition. Roads are not part of Goan tradition, these wide roads. They are being made only for the cars. If you look at your camera, look where the cars are being parked. All the cars, they are making road widening for the cars to be parked. If the cars can be parked, why can't you park the trees also there? The trees will provide some shade for the cars.
Right.
But if you are doing road widening, how can you park a car in the road widening area?
Both sides.
And also hawkers. There are hawkers, there are cars, there are carts.
That is not proper.
Yeah.
The tree is not doing harm to anybody.
See, development has to be around the trees, not by cutting the trees. At least transplant. Where it is not possible, it's right in the middle. Then you can use as a part of the road divider. But if it's obstructing the traffic, at least use some brains to transplant.
We had a Punjabi colleague today, also an environmentalist. में आप तो कुछ कहना है आपने पंजाब में क्या करते हैं बोल दीजिए उनको बोलेंगे.
Myself, environmentalist is Sahil Sharma and an animal rights activist also. I work in Punjab basically. I have been planting trees. I also have an NGO. They are Salute the Trees organization करके. And we had planted around 4 micro forests using Miyawaki technique and Ayurvedic forest also and 25,000 trees. जिसमें से 23,000 trees are alive. So all that work we are doing there. अभी just day before yesterday I came to Goa for a conference yesterday in Bombay High Court in Goa. तो वहाँ से वापस आते हुए I saw मेरा पेट्रोल ख़त्म हुआ रेंट पे लिया एक्टिवा का तो the person pushed me till here. He brought me till here to the pump and when I was going from this side I saw the trees were being cut. So I was aware of the fact that if I am working there for the trees then why not I shall raise my voice here. I told Kala ji जिनके पास मैं रह रहा हूँ 2 दिन से तो उनको रिक्वेस्ट किया कि प्लीज़ गैदर सम पीपल वी हैव टू रेज आवर वॉइस एंड सेव दिस ट्रीज एंड शी पास द मैसेज हेड इन द ग्रुप्स और सुबह 4-5 लोग पहुँचे फिर कल एडवोकेट नॉर्मा जी से आई मेट लास्ट ईयर in Chandigarh in the FIAPO event. So I was aware of her work. Yesterday also I saw her in the Bombay High Court. So at that moment I requested ma'am also. I took her number from someone and requested her. Ma'am यहाँ पे पेड़ काटा जा रहा है जल्दी प्लीज़ आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कुछ कीजिए हमारा हेल्प कीजिए. Then she came with sir and सर से मुलाकात हुआ पहली बार. फिर यहाँ पर पेड़ों को बचाने का हमने प्रयास शुरू किया है because development के नाम पे जो डिस्ट्रक्शन दे आर कॉजिंग द गवर्नमेंट इज कॉजिंग एवरीवेयर इन इंडिया सिंस द गवर्नमेंट लास्ट 10 years तो जितना पेड़ कटा है जितना रोड वाइडनिंग के नाम पे पेड़ कटा है उतना कहीं नहीं कटा. दैट इज वाई वी आर हियर फॉर द ट्रीज एंड वी विल फाइट फॉर द ट्रीज. जो ट्रांसप्लांट हो सकते हैं उनको किया जाएगा. हालांकि ट्रांसप्लांटेशन इज नॉट अ सॉल्यूशन आफ्टर ऑल बिकॉज चांसेस ऑफ द सर्वाइवल ऑफ ट्रीज very less chances, but still we are trying. 2 to 3 trees are there which I can't call them as a obstruction because the roads are obstruction for the trees basically, but still the people who consider them that they are the obstruction, 2 to 3 trees are the obstruction main ones. So we will get them uprooted with the help of sir is here now and we will get them transplanted in a very safe area there outside. Till then we have been successful with the help of Cloud Sir कि वो जो सबसे आगे रेन ट्री लगा हुआ है उसको कोई हानि नहीं पहुंचेगी. दैट इज़ द ऑनर दैट इज़ द अपना डिग्निटी ऑफ मापुसा जो भी ये शहर का गांव का नाम है. एंड वी आर इन लव विद द पीपल लाइक देम जो यहाँ पर आए सुबह से खड़े हैं हमारे साथ और हमारे साथ मिलकर इन्होंने पेड़ों को बचाने का प्रयास किया. थैंक यू सो मच.
Okay. Thank you very much for coming. And we will continue this movement to stop any further cutting of trees. Thank you.
Water has just come. Okay, you can remove. But he has to be careful here, he doesn't damage the cable. Wally. Wally, आणि के माझे 2 शब्द तुमच्या आणि के 2 शब्द बोले. स्वप्ने आना कोण
रेडी आय रे आता झाडां कातरली मरे तुम्ही. अरे रेड आणि पाड्या हे कित्याक बिहेव जाता रे तुम्ही. Didn't you know that this road was so broad? And this goes out to all those bloody MLAs who want to increase the size of the road. You know it at least 6 months before. So please start planting other trees. एक तर उडयले जाल्यार 3 तरी आनीक लाय रे फुडें लाय रे. जाणाय तूं रोड रुरून जातलो तो. काट करून निमाणे आमच्यो गोमट्योय कातर बंद कर दे.
Also, sir, what is your message to Goan youths?
गोवन के यूथ को आई ओनली वांट टू रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज इट्स योर फ्यूचर एंड इट्स योर नेक्स्ट जनरेशंस फ्यूचर. डू नॉट गेट योर फ्यूचर, डू नॉट लेट द पॉलिटिशियंस टू डिसाइड योर फ्यूचर. जिनका एज अभी 50-60 साल का है, वो अगले 20 साल उन्होंने जिंदा रहना है कि नहीं, वो डिसाइड कर रहे हैं कि आपका फ्यूचर क्या होगा. पेड़ काटा जाएगा रोड वाइडन करने के लिए. कि इनको करप्शन नहीं दिखता. नेपाल में जो हो रहा है वो नहीं दिखता. हमारे पंजाब में फ्लड आया हुआ है अभी, गुरदासपुर में आज तक का सबसे वर्स्ट फ्लड्स आया है पंजाब में. वहाँ पे लोग सफ़र कर रहे हैं गुरदासपुर फिरोजपुर एरिया में, हिमाचल में. एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट अभी 4 दिन पहले सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्लैरिफाई कर दिया है, उनसे चीफ सेक्रेटरी से मांगा है रिप्लाई कि दिस इज ओनली बिकॉज यू हैव बीन कटिंग द ट्रीज, यू गवर्नमेंट हैव बीन कटिंग द ट्रीज एंड दिस इज उसका कॉन्सिक्वेंस. इसका जवाब 2-3 हफ्ते के अंदर अंदर, नहीं तो यू विल बी सस्पेंडेड. तो चीफ सेक्रेटरीज को उन्होंने सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है ऑल दिस इज हैपनिंग अंडर आवर आई एंड यूथ इज जस्ट स्लीपिंग. नो वन, आई कैन सी, मेरा एज 24 है, 24 मेरा एज है. ही हैज़ कम फ्रॉम दिल्ली yesterday he took in the morning, he took flight today for 4 AM and I told him yesterday कि यहाँ पेड़ काटा जा रहा है, जल्दी आओ. And he came just now, an hour ago. This is the dedication we want in the youth today. गोवा का इतना शानदार टूरिस्ट स्पॉट है. गोवा में लोग क्यों आ रहे हैं? ग्रीनरी के लिए, मेन ग्रीनरी के लिए आ रहे हैं ना सर. हम जो काम
Killing the goose that is laying the golden eggs. You kill the golden
Exactly.
goose, then nobody will come to the desert. Why they have to come here?
और जो काम सर,
Even deserts are converting into green.
राइट,
And we are cutting our trees and making our Goa a desert.
एंड जो काम सरकार को करना चाहिए, दैट वर्क वी आर डूइंग इन प्लेस ऑफ देम. वी आर प्लांटिंग ट्रीज थ्रू आवर NGOs.
These guys are getting paid to do the planning and everything, and they're destroying. And we as citizens, we have to spend our time and energy.
It's
and resources.
such a shame, sir, on the MLA or the on the politicians. The person came, no, the बुजुर्ग जो अभी आए थे यहाँ पे, कहाँ है वो? He spoke the right thing कि जो MLA है, he knows everything. That what happened 6 months ago, but tender has been passed, everything has been passed. They are taking out place at that side of the road just to plant new trees and cutting down the trees which have been planted here already from 20, 40, 50 years. है ना जी. तो वी हैव टू फाइट फॉर आवर इन्वायरमेंट और एल्स द नेशन का बेड़ा गर्क तो हो रहा है और होता रहेगा.
Yesterday we had a hearing regarding Seoli tree cutting.
Yes.
In the High Court, the judge has clearly said that we cannot afford to cut trees which are heritage trees, decade-old trees,
Native trees.
and they will not grow with such pollution. If you plant another new tree, you see in Bombay trees are not growing, Delhi trees are not growing because the pollution is so much. The toxic level in the AQI is so high in the air that the trees are not able to survive. Human beings are dying because of pollution.
I never coughed. I am coughing from the last 2 days because of dust here.
What is your take on that? There is a Supreme Court guidelines clearly that they have to maintain 1 meter gap around the tree.
Yes,
But whereas we see everywhere
the order is passed by NGT, National Green Tribunal, that around the girth of the tree, 1 meter diameter, they have to keep the soil open.
Yes.
Here what they are doing is they are putting tar close to the, see the tar so close.
Yeah, the other tree we can see it is
So
very...
the contractors have not been directed by the PWD to follow the law. The law is being violated everywhere. Everywhere the trees are being choked. And when you cut the tree, it will not never survive. Because no water can percolate down the tree.
Yes.
Trees is getting choked and dying.
Yes.
On the footpath also same thing. You go everywhere in the world, they keep 1 diameter. And they put a metal mesh so that water can put
Penetrates inside.
can go inside. Here what we are doing, we are using the root of a tree to dump plastic, paper, garbage and then put fire on the root of the tree.
It's like putting a belt around my stomach when I was 10 years old and now the belt is, उसने कस दिया मुझे पूरा का पूरा and I am not able to survive. The same thing they are doing with the trees also.
They are choking the trees to death.
Not able to grow.
I given in writing, even in Panji municipality, to please not to choke the trees. Till today, 3 years have passed, no reply. They don't care, clearly. You see the way they cut the trees in Panjim. The next protest will be in Panjim now. Please do come.
Thank you.
जी
For the
सर,
protest.
जी सर.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Let's have a cup of tea.
Vegan tea. Vegan tea.
Guys, what?
I want you to make another point. Don't take it. No problem. That whenever they build buildings and give shops, people are going to come and stay and people are going to visit. तो उनके लिए पार्किंग चाहिए.
Without parking they...
बिल अलाउ अप्रूवल. तो इधर का पार्क करेगा रोड पे, बढ़ता जाएगा. So every commercial place has to have 2 to 4 parking spaces and every 4 places होना चाहिए. उनके आने वाले लोग हैं ना.
Also, we have to have a strict law. If द पीपल डोंट हैव पार्किंग, दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू बाय कार्स. पार्किंग नहीं होता है और 4-4 गाड़ी भी
वो
ले रहे हैं
अलग
लोग.
बात है, पर
और
जो
गाड़ी लेंगे तो यहीं पे लगा देंगे ना
पर
सरकार की
जो घर
जमीन पे.
अपना बना रहे हैं उनको उसके साथ पार्किंग देना जरूरी है. जो दुकान बना रहे हैं उनको पार्किंग देना जरूरी, और बिल्डिंग वालों को अप्रूवल नहीं देना है ना.
That is also
अप्रूवल में ही या इनवाइट होना है. जैसे झाड़ के लिए
It is mandatory. I think it is
Where
there.
is there then?
Underground.
किधर मिलेगा? किसी नहीं है. किधर
नहीं है,
है?
then it is problem.
नहीं
काहे ना?
होता, नहीं करते हैं.
What to tell about this? ये 21 पेड़ों का परमिशन फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट बना हुआ है पेड़ों को बचाने के लिए, ना कि पेड़ों के कत्ल का परमिशन देने के लिए, जो परमिशन 21 पेड़ों का दिया. और यहाँ पे एक और फैक्ट, 26 पेड़ों को यहाँ मार्क किया गया है. 21 का परमिशन देके 26 को कैसे मार्क कर रहे हैं ये लोग? चीटिंग.
Butcher, these are butchers.
बूचर सर,
Butchers of trees.
कातिल, मर्डर.
No.
इस लेन में ट्रीज है. इस लेन में इन्होंने प्लान नहीं किया ट्रीज लगाने का. इस लेन में इन्होंने प्लान किया ट्रीज लगाने का. पहले यहाँ का
Now what
बजट
happened?
किया जाएगा.
Now what
यहाँ
happened?
से निकालो.
You see that they cut the trees,
उधर लगाओ ट्रीज.
and now cars are parked there. They're saying that they want space for the traffic.
बना बनाया इकोसिस्टम तबाह करके नए इकोसिस्टम को बनाने का ये लोग प्रयास कर रहे हैं. अंधे लोग, पापी इंसान.
विकास के नाम पर विनाश.
विकास के नाम पर किया गया विनाश. पहले इसको काटने का पैसा जारी करेंगे, फिर काट के लकड़ी बेच के पैसा निकालेंगे, फिर अगर ट्रांसप्लांटेशन होगा, कोई प्रपोजल पास किया जाएगा तो उसका पैसा निकलेगा.
Transplantation तो
उसके
है
बाद
नहीं
ये
इनके उसमें
पेड़ वहाँ पे
scheme में.
लगाने का पैसा निकाला जाएगा, फिर वहाँ पे खड्डा करने का पैसा निकाला जाएगा, नए पेड़ लाने का पैसा निकाला जाएगा. ये कर रहे हैं ये लोग.
सस्टेनेबिलिटी कहाँ से
सारा
लाएंगे?
पैसा हर जगह से निकालते जा रहे हैं ये लोग.
Call from some tourists, one of whom I had met in Rajasthan at an animal welfare conference, and he called to say that they were cutting big trees. They had already felled a number of trees yesterday, and it was for the road, not so much the road widening area, but the pavements that we had insisted must be made along the road widening. Now, this petition was in the High Court and they said they would complete the pavements, but you can certainly do the pavements around the big spacious trees which are there and should not cut them. So when I came to my office, because I had an NGT hearing, I telephoned the Advocate General, Mr. Devidas Pangam, and I said they are felling huge trees. So he said, where? I sent him a picture and he wanted to know who had been doing it, and I think it's a PWD. So he has called up the PWD and said not to fell the big rain tree which is now over there for now. So I don't know whether they are going to consider anything in future. But we have already explained that you can make your pavement around the tree and not fell it because it provides huge shade all over. Just yesterday, the court had a discussion in a matter which Mr. Avertin, yes, Sioli case, and asked the Goa Foundation, please draw up a program for felling of trees for the road widening, which kind of trees can be felled, which cannot be felled, and where you are going to replant and when you are going to replant or transplant, and who is going to monitor. Because apparently for all the roads, highway roads that have been, trees have been felled, the Ministry for Road and Transport Highways has already paid a sum of 10 crore to the contractors, and they are supposed to have planted 64,000 trees. Where they planted, we don't know. I asked the court said that now past things we don't want to go into, let us look at the future. But I think we should pursue the past trees because it's not 10 rupees, it's 10 crore gone to the contractors. Okay?
Still being a suburban and fining so much of roads, why do you think the ministers have been doing such things?
Because they want, it's a ministry for road, transport and highways. They want to make highways. So somebody has to bother about the trees, and the forest department does not care apparently. It's only left to citizens to figure out the trees.
The forest department, who is also taken by the Vishwajit Rani sir, has to...
See, the tree authority gives the permission to fell the trees. The tree authority also gives a condition, plant 3 times the number. After that, the tree authority takes a security deposit. And if the party does not plant the trees, they take their security department and supposedly plant somewhere. But who plants, where plants, nobody knows and nobody has planted. That is the problem.
Also survival rate. Nobody follows up if the trees are surviving or not.
As you said, this cutting of trees been done by the PWD. The
Yes.
local authority, like municipality and the local MLA, are they aware of it?
We don't know. They don't care. No? Who cares? See, this PWD was given permission to cut 21 trees. They came with a plan to cut 24 trees, and they were cutting 26 trees beyond the permission given to cut trees. 27 trees.
Each department goes with blinkers. My business is to make the road, I make the road. Your business is to look after
footpath.
trees, you look after trees.
Somebody
That's
look at
how
the
it
footpath.
goes. Yes.
What will be your future course of plan for it?
I told you that just yesterday the High Court has said to draw up a plan and ask the Goa Foundation to sit down with PWD, Forest Department, Tree Authority, Planning Authority to find out where the trees can be planted. First of all, which trees can be cut and which cannot be cut and where they can be planted. Who will monitor and for how many years? I have said for 5 years.
So next hearing is on 24th of September in the High Court.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. I'll just briefly say. Today, yeah. You want to ask something?
Yes, sir. Today you all have come to the road going to Kalamut side next to the Bodheshwar temple. We see many huge trees being trimmed out.
Yeah, there were about almost 30 trees. They had taken permission to cut 21 trees, but they were actually marked 26 trees. It's completely illegal. First of all these trees could be saved. They were not required to cut because they were not in the middle of the road. They were away from the road. Now if you see the other side, that side, they've cut all the trees. And what is the result? You have cars parking all over. So same way, they should have kept the trees and the people could have parked the cars in between the trees. You would have got shade. Birds would have got shelter. Reptiles would have got shelter. The insects would have got shelter. Butterflies would have got shelter. It is a rich biodiversity. Every tree has got rich biodiversity. We can't just go and chop and butcher the trees. What's happening is everywhere.
Concern NOC or the permission they have been trimmed out. Do you think?
See, permission they give blindly. The forest department doesn't care about the tree authority which gives permission. It doesn't apply its mind. You see now, this whole road has become barren. It looks like a desert. People, countries in desert, they are planting trees. Here we have natural trees and we are cutting and destroying them. We are converting our green into a desert. This is no common sense. The government has no planning. When they plan a road, when they plan a footpath, when they plan the gutters, they have to think about the trees around and how to plan and design the roads, design the footpath and the gutters around the trees. Development has to be around the trees, not by cutting the trees. That has always been our philosophy. But government is reckless, is brutal. They don't care. These are just butchers who want to only cut the trees and they say this is development. See this. आता सगळी झाडं कापत म्हणून आम्ही ती मेन रेन फॉरेस्ट ट्री ते सांभाळला आम्ही. They will not touch the said. They agreed not to touch the main rain forest tree. So that is our biggest achievement today. No, it's not touched. We didn't allow them to touch. That is our biggest success today, that we saved that 40-year-old rainforest tree, which is near the petrol pump, with a huge canopy, which crosses from right side to the other side of the road. You can see there. It's a huge canopy of tree that we have saved the tree. And they have agreed not to cut it. I hope they keep their word.
So temporarily they have stopped.
Not temporarily, permanently. We have stopped them permanently. We will not allow them to cut the tree. That's it. We have decided and they have agreed that they are not going to cut the tree. Because the tree is on the sides. Why they need to cut the trees? All these trees see here. This tree is on the side in the corner. It was not required to cut. You can see the bulldozer. So, and they put tar so close to the tree in violation of the National Green Tribunal order, which says that you have to leave 1 meter around the tree so that the tree can breathe. Now the tree is choked. It will die and fall on somebody's head. Now they have agreed to remove the tar around the tree so that the tree can breathe, rainwater can go inside and it can grow again. Yeah, thank you.
Sharma.
When we were passing by here, as you said, what was the situation over here and what held over here?
Yesterday, around at I guess 7:30 or 8 p.m. I was passing through this road and I saw पेट्रोल भरवाने के बाद from the pump कि यहाँ पर एक बहुत बड़ा पेड़ काट दिया गया है और उसके बाद आगे आया तो I saw कि more trees have been cut here. तो I was surprised because in Punjab we are trying our level best to save the trees. Supreme Court का कमेटी 2022 में बैठा था और उन्होंने 75,000 रुपया 75,000 रुपीज़ वॉज उन्होंने बताया कि कीमत रखा जाएगा एक पेड़ का 5 साल के
2 crores.
नो 75,000 एक पेड़ का 1 साल का कीमत. अगर वो 100 साल का पेड़ है तो उसकी कीमत 75 लाख रुपए है. 75 lakh शुड बी द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन ट्री विच एज इज अराउंड 100 years जस्ट फॉर द वर्क फॉर द सर्विस इट इज़ प्रोवाइडिंग अस ऑल ह्यूमंस ऑक्सीजन. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड सिक्वेस्टर कर रहे हैं वो. बादल खींचने हैं, बारिशें ला रहे हैं, एवरीथिंग दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग नेस्टिंग स्पेस फॉर द एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स. सो उसके हिसाब से और ये लोग दीज पीपल टुडे येस्टरडे आई टोल्ड कला जी जिनके पास आई वाज स्टेइंग एंड शी गैदर्ड पीपल इन द मॉर्निंग. अवंतिका सर आए, गलौड़ सर आए, मैम को फ़ोन किया, नॉर्मा जी को, पद्मश्री नॉर्मा जी, एवरीवन गैदर्ड एंड मतलब दे ट्राइड, दे हेल्प्ड अस. वी वर वेरी वेरी डिस्ट्रेस्ड फ्रॉम द मॉर्निंग दैट यहाँ पेड़ काटना जाए बिकॉज PWD उनके बंदे थे, ठेकेदार था मोहम्मद और अब्दुल्ला, वो काट रहे थे. उन्होंने शरेआम देखो जी क्या हालत की है पेड़ की, ये हालत दिखाओ पेड़ की. दैट इज़ द ट्री विच वी अपना सक्सीडेड इन सेविंग दैट ट्री बिकॉज दैट वॉज प्लांटेड 40 years ago एंड दैट इज़ अ नेटिव ट्री, दैट इज़ अ रेन ट्री. इसको बिल्कुल नहीं काटा जाएगा. अब इन पेड़ों को यहाँ पे इसी तरीके से रखा जाएगा. आगे जाके 2-3 पेड़ों को ट्रांसप्लांट किया जाएगा जो इनके मुताबिक रास्ते में आ रहे हैं, हमारे मुताबिक नहीं. ये रास्ता निकाल सकते हैं, सॉल्यूशन है हर चीज़ को. इनकी नीयत साफ नहीं है. दे डोंट हैव माइंड. जहाँ चाहा वहाँ रहा. वेयर देयर इज़ अ विल देयर इज़ अ वे, बट दे डू नॉट वांट देयर विल टू मूव टुवर्ड्स सस्टेनेबिलिटी, टुवर्ड्स इको रिस्टोरेशन वगैरह वगैरह. तो दे वांट टू जस्ट डिस्ट्रॉय द इको सिस्टम एंड create a new one. That is a hypocrisy.
Have you made a complaint?
Yeah. We have informed the government. Government immediately stopped it. I called up the range forest officer. We contacted the deputy conservator of forest. So we contacted the forest officials. And we said this is against the High Court order. Yesterday only we had deliberation in the High Court regarding a Seolian tree cutting case. And High Court has expressed concern that we are fast losing the green cover. Entire Porvini road trees are being shaved off. Now they are shaving off this Mapsapara road. What will happen to Goa? Who will want to come to Goa in a desert? People are coming because Goa is green and beautiful. If all the greenery is gone, the whole world is making their roads green, and here we are making the greenery into desert. What is it? No, meaningless, because these guys are butchers.
किती गर्दी. So my final conclusion is what? You are telling me you want to do development. I agree. चलो do it. बट जेन्ना रस्तो वायडन करूंक नसलेलो तेन्ना पयली गजाल तुमी झाडाक मारून उडयले डांबर घालून. दुसरी गजाल, झाड मारच्या पयलीं तुमी 3 नाल्यार 10 झाडां लावप आसता दुसरे कडेन, तेय करूंक ना तुमी. ओके. आनी आसा ती झाडां कट केल्या आनी त्या सायडीक आतां तुमी आतां प्रपोजल हाडटले नवी झाडां लावपाचे. ते कोणाक पिशान काडपाची कामां करता? सगळे पळयता. हांव सांगता हें पळय, देवा कडेन मागता अशें एक्चुली जावंक जायना जशें नेपालान जालां तशें. कित्याक सगळ्यांक आपलो लायफ इम्पॉर्टंट आनी तोडले फोडले म्हूण आमचेच टॅक्साचे पयशे ते तशें करपाचें बरें न्हू. कळ्ळें? सो पिसफुली समज यूथ भायर येयले आनी एकवट दाखयले न्हू, गव्हर्मेंटाक कळटलें की दीस इज नॉट अ ओल्ड गोवा. आनी इट्स लायक लज दिसता म्हाका जाणा. भायलो मनीस पंजाबासून येवन हांगासर आवाज उखलता आनी दुसरे आतां हांव नांवां घेवं शकना, बट खुबशे अशे इन्फ्लुएन्सर्स आसा जे एक्चुली भायल्यान हांगासर आवाज उखलता. आनी गोवन कंटेंट क्रिएटर कितें करता? क्वेश्चन अरायझस. इफ यू गायज कॅनॉट इवन रेज वॉयस, एटलीस्ट सपोर्ट दोज कंटेंट क्रिएटर ना. तांकां कोलॅबरेट करा, तेंचे हायलायट करा ते टॉपिक्स. तर ही बदामाची झाडां बरी सावळी दिताली हांगासर. हांगा आतां रावपाक जायना, इतकी गरमी. फूल कॉन्क्रिटायज करून उडयला सगळ्या कडेन. एक जागो असो दवरूंक ना म्हापशान, सगळ्या कडेन कॉन्क्रिटायज. आनी आतां तर जस्ट पावस काबार जाला. समरान टेम्परेचर कितको हाय जाता? पॉसिबलूच ना जाल्यार. हां एनीवे ते आरंबोल आतां येदे व्हडले दोंगर तेंच्यांनी सोडूंक ना 5 दिसांनी चवथीक उडयले कितें गॅरंटी आतां हेंच्यांनी हेजे हे करतले वॉट एक्सपेक्टेशन बट वी हॅव टू स्टील फायट इफ इट इज पॉसिबल टू सेव सो वी आर हियर वी ट्रायड आवर बेस्ट some plants will be relocated and some will be they'll have to remove it unfortunately and that guy promised me that he will take care of the tree. I'll see after 1 year if it is growing. If that thing doesn't grow, it is a failed thing, like if these people promise us translocation, transplant, all fake, doesn't survive anywhere. Wherever they did previously, its the success rate is very less. So the alternative is you plant first tree before you cut. Overnight you realize you want to do development. So ती झाडां कट केला खबर हा ती सगळी झाडां ह्या सायडी काढून घालतले तेंच्यांनी हे सायडी आणि ही आयकॉनिक ट्री हा खबर हा मरे आयकॉनिक झाड सामकें म्हापशेचें हेका मात कशें सेफ करपाक जाय एकूच सावळी अशी पळय आणि ह्यो झाडां तर कंपल्सरी जाय हांगासर फुटपाथ रिबिल्ड करपाचे बरे भशेन झाडाक स्पेस सोडा मर थंयसर तितके गरजूच ना तेजी न्हू तितके एम्प्टी दवरा न्हू बॉक्स